Boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today, but you know my style. One bagga, you know one. I gotta continue getting them daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. And with that being said, let's just kick it off with this thing because it's still stinging people in other pockets. You see me, I say Tanya Stevens and Spragga Benz have come out and said they wasn't paid for their services. He says, boy, oh boy, oh boy. And them said the bounty killer this Spragga Benz, you know. You see me, I say, so here what we're gonna do. We're going to take a look at what Tanya Stevens said, then listen to a video of Spragga Benz explaining his situation and see if Bounty Killer was wrong and Isaiah Laing is scamming the artist them. So as you can see in front of you, Tanya said, I would be disappointed in Laing if this was his first time, but it is not. She went on to say, I'm watching the spins and amusement, and we're still waiting for him to contact us tomorrow, December 27, 2023. I would be disappointed if I had no prior knowledge of this deplorable behavior, but I do. Hence previous avoidance. And how can I, a perfect stranger, be disappointed in someone who takes a fat dump on his own offspring's legacy? The sad thing is, what I mistook for growth and maturity was just escalation of the lack of integrity. I saw the evolution, but unfortunately it was an evolution of character, just evolution of distasteful characteristics. Would a later permit bring a different result? Could it? Was the show running smoothly? In all of my respect for the artists have grown despite always taking a beating from the audience. The artist made the decision to deliver despite most having no contractual obligation to do so. Breaches trump speeches. Enough love and appreciation to the younger generation who gave the production a literally fall guy. If not for them, who could possibly be blamed for failure? Big up yourself, you know, Supreme, whatever, and especially Mr. Isaiah Laing, where others have deteriorated, you have actually remained consistent, as good as you ever been. So point blank, they're saying, you know, the fight between Fully Bad and, you know, Amnesty was a setup by Laing to avoid paying the artist them. You see me, I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy. Now let's take a listen to what Spragga Benz have to say.
I just want to say, on behalf of myself and the whole Let's Create team, who was present and ready last night to perform at Reggae Sting 2023. Due to circumstances beyond our control, you know, the anticipated performance never manifested. But look out for us again next time, you know, in more organized environments. Yeah? Rastafari love.
Yeah, that was his apology to, you know, his fans that was expecting to see him perform. And this was his message to Bounty Killer. He said, homie, observe some artists move at stage show. It's like nobody else will have nothing where music is concerned. And him said that missing. Cause you know, this was like a tribute to Bounty Killer, and he, you know, invited all type of people to perform. You know, that he busting out the business and things, you know what I mean? A lot of people say that he went over his time, X, Y, and Z. You know what I mean? Isaiah Laing said he's planning not to come back this thing next year, even though he said this year would be the last year. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Hey, it's Vibes Cartel. Him I wait for CF's thing, you know. You know what I mean? But anyway, I'm just giving a quick update while going for the go and putting in the comment section what you think about them. Okay, keeping up with the Sting theme, Tony Matron is commenting on Suspense Queen and the rest of the females in dancehall industry who's not listening, you know, to the producer. Them, you see me, I said, he's talking about who's hot and who's not. You see me, I said, who I run TikTok and all of these things. So, you know, the people then bring up Spice, Jada Kingdom, and I bag other people. You feel what I'm saying? So let's take a listen to what him and Octane is saying, and then we'll proceed.
You know, me alone say Aki.
Aki.
Yeah, big up the queen. Yo, no, Aki, me have to give credit.
Hold on.
And the girl, bad, she bad.
Hold on.
The queen, she bad, man. Donnelly,
bad artist, long time.
Yeah.
And she a tell us me I dance.
Yeah, me know,
I stop encourage her.
me
Yes,
know
man.
say your people them. But she
Yes,
bad.
man. Encourage her, man.
Remember,
Tough.
remember say from pandemic, me see her too, you know. I say, yeah, she are one of them where not before the time. Cause remember pandemic, she that show up little, you know.
Yes.
What's her page? Her page name Suspense. Suspense. What's the name? Suspense Queen. Yeah. Wanna go follow her.
Find some like it.
SED Queen. Yeah, wanna can go follow her. You understand?
Put on some like in that place.
One bad artist from SUSPENSED Queen. Wanna go follow her.
Long time tough, man. Tough, man.
Yeah,
We
man.
are going.
And me there, okay. No, me I tell them, me just tag her name. Wanna go follow her. But me I tell her 2024, she one of them.
And she can perform too.
Yeah, she can perform and she full of clarity. She one of the girls where I come up. Because
She full of style.
me just
Full of all different style.
I me just give her the guideline and make she know say what she a do. She dey on the right track. Just let out the song them. Because
Maggie take up her career and run it down man and show them, man.
tell her say, me don't tell her already, you know, acting. Remember say, you not tell her, remember you are fear protege. You not tell her what matter around do for you. Remember me look by you and say, away I go, little acting away you want him or gasoline away you want him. I want you. Oh him. When you run up the stage like animosity run up by the people on stage. I'm say, what up?
Yo, Bembe, man. Bembe and Bembe act like rats. And a man, I go big, all of them big ball magic put and say, be acting and man, you stop the crowd. Remember, say, Bembe a boss people at them time there, you know. One tap the crowd and say, oh, you have to say big magic work, I wanna stop me. Wanna stop me from play. How you do you? How you?
Come do your thing.
How you name? Me
Me
can't even pronounce his name. When you act here, when you name? Yo, so if you're in a bossy place, you stop me, you know. Big segment this. If you're in a bossy place, you know, people bossy mad.
And mash up the place. That's so
Be a Guinness buckle resist this.
yeah, man.
Ready? And from the night, them boss up town now. You can't speak.
They're not that's why it boss. But guess what? Sometimes you need a leap of faith. Probably if it never orchestrated, you'd have to wait a little. You see it? Because
remember that night, them boss uptown match in the night, them boss uptown, because remember say Bembe a uptown crowd that uptown, you know. Yeah.
Remember for you can bust that so you know. You don't have, remember you don't have Spanish town and the whole of the place.
Me don't have bus the whole I get to already, come here I get to king. Yeah. Yeah, then I was to get already.
They don't encourage a busing already. That was just an icing, you know.
What?
After that, I actually never look back. That's
Never.
That's why I just tell Suspense, say, hear me. Me are the gatekeeper and me know where I'm going. You see from what the whole of the little girl them, even putting Shensi the whole of them, sound like Jada Kingdom, like, I want fuck Angie, I feel like I want fuck, moving a blood clot, to the sound constipated. It's not working. No girl not talk about, I just being something like, I'm going to feel like I want fuck. No. The girl them not talk so. Real people in a real world not talk so. I want to get that blood clot.
Yo, alright. You see the last, a reality attacking, I can watch you now, see?
Where you get that from? Nobody
watch your style now. Watch your style now, Maggie. Yeah, because we're not discriminating artists, but watch your style. If you be realistic, remember, alright. Remember when, alright, the last song, the last blood.
Fuck Ronaldo, nobody no fuck so. Nobody no talk about, I want drink some liquor and fuck. Nobody no fuck so. I want to fuck. I must want blood clot, rose on I want to play with no pussy.
Remember say, alright, look on, remember say Spice, you know? Look on Spice. Look on the last big grass clad song for dancehall and Spice where Spice doing Spice go up and that nice and say bubble color bubble no couple up. Skin out
yes, Spice say,
skin out
the
the
pop.
pop.
But and then I have a son, every girl. Right now I feel like my aunt or something, anything I want fuck. How what kind of fuck when I fuck? I don't stick no blood clot. How what kind of fuck that? I don't fuck boring. More even fuck that bitch. Me that say girl, come out of my bed. Me that light a girl. Me that take my lighter and light a girl. Pour some gasoline on a girl and light a bitch. Remember me say, hey girl, what she say? Fuck me and throw me off of the bed, drop the TV in the bed. Remember me and a girl and say, hey girl, I run in the blood clot while I lick up some blood. The girl them not talk nothing, brethren. Them girl come
I remember you have credential, you know, cause I'll know them not find one dirty wine boy, you know. Big song there. Big song there.
Remember, and me say, me take her legs, them and me fling them around my shoulder, and then me shoot up and I'm on the verge of sex. Come on. Them girl come, right now, I'm on some anything want fuck. Bitch, I don't fuck you want fuck. Hey, girl, just fuck your mama, you're boring. You remember cocky? The whole of them. Me and Jada with one. You know, like the same way. I'm gonna say, oh, we're gonna fuck them this. This is not fuck. This is fuckery. Hey, more a girl tell me, say, babe, stuff my face with the pillar. Then stuff her face. I say, why won't you just die? Say, uncle. Say, bumbo clot, uncle. Hey, girl.
Say, uncle.
Then the one Shensi, I love her. All the Shensi are the point from what here. And Shensi have the lyrics, you know. Shensi have the lyrics too, you know.
Give me big up yourself.
But text the arm of neck. Bumbo clot, Shensi, we know you're pretty, you're sexy. Hey, girl, skin out your blood clot. What Shensi want trim you. More trim off your cool ear. I say, girl, wait for it grow back. Come on, man. Them girl are not talk nothing. Right now, I'm under some covers. Yeah, I'm feel like one fuck.
Just what say a fool, you know. That's what I say. I'm mad. I'm watching this. I can't think I'm watching.
Brethren, the RN nurses, them, the girl them we are entrepreneur, the business girl them, I fuck the girl them one. When the girl them I call them man, they must say, babes, they not come fuck out my hole. You think the girl come talk about, right now I'm feel fresh and want fuck. You sound constipated, bitch. That not sound like you want fuck. What you want? You want me come over there come play?
Colonel, big up.
Come play Ludi? Come on.
Yeah, man. The doctor, the high society doctor, them and some girl, some bully for bachelor, and some sitting when them come off of work, them and say, where you there? Actress, where you there?
Yeah,
problem,
look
you know.
Some girl with them diploma. Look on the one Gumsha she. Gumsha.
When them they are work, you know, them very studious and thing, but me I tell you.
Yes, sir. You see Gumsha? Gumsha, my sister. Remember when Gumsha and our peoples them. And Gumsha said, Magic come from a blood clot phone, me go fuck my husband. I saw people talk. These fucking stupid retarded bitches. Right now, I'm a canvas, I'm feeling I want fuck. Bitch, you don't want to fuck? Like, come on. Who wants to fuck a girl? Like, them come like Megan Thee Stallion. Megan Thee Stallion a trick them. That stupid bitch. Like, Megan, you want a man beating her? Hey, me never rank at Correlians are fucking fool. If you take a baseball bat and clap a big girl, I say big girl, I'll kill you. You're not dead. I'm beat her with the cocky. Come on, man.
Watch you eat that, you know. Watch you eat that, you know.
No.
Watch it.
All right, look on when you do. Girl, you just a wine and jiggle and top up in the data. Come on, give a little vibes, brethren. Every one of them girl, oh, my honor, anything wrong. Like, come on, these bitches sound constipated. I want to fuck them. Can you fuck a girl with constipated?
No.
The girl sound retarded. Come on, you want a girl body top, bad up the fuck, baby. Talk me or something. Talk, you know, like when we say blood clot girl, a big pussy girl. You know, you man say big pussy girl, girl. Girl some body top back. Them girl are too. Them look like cokehead. Them sound like cokehead. Only no sound real. So nobody no enthusiastic about these sex songs. Cause you don't sound sexy. Me, because they think talking in this voice acting. Like, babes, you know, come over. That a bumbleclad some 5 bitch. We never like them girl. Hey girl, come off our phone. You sound boring. We
Taylor
like the
Swift.
girl and we have talk the things them. You not
Taylor,
talk like no butter.
Taylor Swift in a dancer.
Some bitch like Taylor Swift. We want the bad girl them. I like me I tell.
You're the one just what, but that was one condom could have prevent all of this, you know.
One condom. One condom. No, but I
Are
don't
you
like me
ever
I tell.
talk? Are you ever talk? One condom.
Listen to me. Suspense, go for them blood clot. Go
And
for them
suspense,
and
rough.
watch.
Suspense, rough, and in full of milk. She full of milk. She
Full of
tough, man.
melody.
Yes.
Suspense.
Me tired of tell you world about, so she approve it to you world now and see her
Remember.
there.
All right,
Tug famous, big up.
you see the first girl come out this year, raw and ranchy. Watch you go on. Remember, Spice got upon like she upon this liquor goody to shoot to, you know. I don't know if the blue get to her head, you know. You know see it. Mama, no giving up. Skin out is something. Remember, Spice biggest song up to this date. I skin out the pum pum, you know. No,
Song that tough, yeah, for.
she says, skin out me pum pum. Panic out. I skin. She never said, skin out me tun tun.
Dana Lisa, she have it long time. A true woman, she have it long time. She bad.
All right. Yes, when Mama, when
Eagle Eye,
Spice
big up.
ready to do back song, I choose Spice just take a little family break. But me, I tell you, Mama have the family, you know. Because me, my friend, that even though me and her not chat from time to time, but my girl, that me say Queen Spice, you know. Remember me call her Queen, you know. And me say Queen Spice up to this day. None of Spice friends them can't dispute that. Not even Spice can dispute that. A Spice birthday, I say, long live the Queen, you know. Cause them that's a Queen of Stage. I say Queen of Stage, your blood clot, a matter on this, and me are the gatekeeper. You're Queen of dancehall. And she say, anything you say, my brother. And I that's of Spice turn Queen. But Spice have that raw thing. From Spice goes on easy back to our little accident or incident. But when Spice ready for them, that's why me I said some of them girls need to step up. Them need for sure say, Lady Star and Spice don't do the thing already. Every bumbuckle girl come. But right now, I want fuck. I feel like I want man long. And who the fuck want to hear that? That's why I love Dovey, you know. When Dovey talk about she suck a cocky respectfully, Lily, when people have said, Jesus Christ, that girl are bad. None of the girl them not talk the real things, them brother. The girl them talk like them in them nose. No. Talk real raw thing. You're there in a dancehall. Dancehall is raw.
Yo, ladies are raw, you know, and it work for her, you know.
Spice raw. Ladies are raw.
Well, yeah, it work for her, man. A dancehall it name for
A
you, man.
dancehall it name. You
Funny
can't
that.
say you're a woman in a
Sing
dancehall. Like me tell Donna Lee.
and sing for some dancehall beat, you know.
The whole of them want to sing pandit. Like Dexter that, oh baby.
But
Oh God.
Because when you sing on it, yo, when you sing on it, dancehall beat them, you know. That's why I can't move out of music. 90% of my hit song them upon some real rhythm. Cause watch ya. You sing on the dancehall rhythm them. You can sing on the new rhythm them,
Yeah,
but you have to have some dancehall rhythm in your thing too.
But even if the new rhythm, you still have to ranch it. Dancehall is raw.
Yo.
All right. You notice.
Want some dancehall rhythm. Cause remember, you know, when I hear Dirty Wine play anyway, it's still stone fresh.
You know why? Because it's fucking raw. Remember?
You see me? Why do you media Puerto Rico and hear Dirty Wine play and it still sound like actual Puerto like, yeah, come out of our diaspora, and some of the Puerto Rico me hear it and drop. And then right after that then drop Wine Up and a Carnival. Brother, it sound fresh like, you understand me I say? What the man send me a video from Guyana and the man play every man is straight and click and the whole thing. I mean, it sound fresh, that's a dance style.
Because these little fuckers
can't move, it not move.
them things say, them own dancehall. Nobody no own dancehall, but you have gatekeepers. Cause me no own dancehall, but me one of the gatekeeper. We decide.
But that's why I'm tell you, say, you see that girl here? Cause watch her now in the Magina. Watch her. No, watch her. Me no want shake, but me want you feel boss her.
You know, you tell her, say, I go and bust her like a guinea seed. I just tell her, say,
yeah, because watch her now.
Cut it.
Cause watch her now.
Cut it, cook one stew chicken, she get liquid.
Cause me say, me like when you're in a fire mood, you know. You have a time, cause remember, I know you for years, you know.
Yeah.
You have a time when you're just nice and calm and rare. Yeah. You have a time when you cuss and you just love it. But right now, the cuss where you cuss are the vent where you vent because of music.
Yeah.
So them not really nothing personal. You vent because of music. And you can say, Shensi, I want to take my retain about one trim your blood clot, but my rate to save it. This if it cuss because the music are you out there, you know, and you say the music are deteriorate. And you yeah.
I acting. Even yourself. Nobody where in a music cannot talk to a person like Mataran. With my acclaim to fame, a dancehall is so powerful. I made like decades of dancehall.
True, man. Imagine my hearing the place where I go to school, brother. I just really can't get all.
I from your boss, before you even boss, me are the most consistent legend in the business. Everybody we are legend, them dead out, you know. Them now fly, them now work nowhere. Mataran still a fly, Mataran still a play, Mataran still a do this. So I know where it's missing, I know when needed. But guess what? If them can do it, cause you see this year, 2024, may I give them some song, you know. I'm going to drop some blood class song. I'm going to lead back the dancehall how it for lead because guess what? Them not understand. You see enough of the little song them want to see a play a Jamaica. Them song they never play a foreign. You know?
Red Boom, yeah, big you up, yeah.
Red Boom. Them bad Red Boom, man. Them now do the song them, brother. All right. You see?
Eagle, like, big up.
Yes, Eagle, big up. You see the little foolishness and the producer them. Remember, me being a bun out the producer them and I tell them, say, stop make the little fuck rhythm them. Give the little.
All right. I got talk about that, you know. As I watch you now. I'm glad to see you mention it.
Hold on, stick up in. Remember, me can go back to YouTube and you see the live them way. You remember one time me I hear the pan live in a pandemic and I say the man do some fuckery rhythm, some foreignated rhythm. Me make all my one word and say foreignated rhythm. Producer stop doing it. Look on this now. Look on this. Russian rise back all
that me that I tell you. That come like you know say that me I say come that's why I say me glad see you mention that you know. Because Russian bring back one rhythm art and the rhythm itself, so couple songs goes off a rhythm, but the rhythm itself end up bigger than all of the song them panding the new song them pan the rhythm, to the rhythm big and bad.
Well, I know, look pan this. That for sure them like a pussy I say, won't talk. But we are run the place, we not run nothing, bitch. We not run nothing. You know I mean, we not run nothing. Two things. And the whole of them living in a low and living a lie. Half of the artists them, we say them art. When you get visa, when you can't get 10 show of foreign. When you pussy wall idiot, you know, sister, when you run away. When you run away. And look on this again to Actian. The selector them will play the whole of them little song there. At Jamaica. You notice, when they are foreign, we see on attendance, they don't want a blood clot at, on a stink, on a at, on a blood clot at. Tell them look a fucking idiot friend of my Jamaica where I follow TikTok say on a at, on a not at. Or you for at and you can't play a fire. When we at, we still at. And we been at. But when we are on the street, all right, we'll look at the street at Jamaica and get some man. A boom boom are the only one me see a flying. And Google mental. None of them, the selector them will say them at, they're not flying. Or you're not fly every week. Or you're not play a foreign every week. That means you're not at. Bitch, you're not at. When selector fly like artists. Or me a fly like artists. Because me been at and me always at. Or you say you're at and you're not fly every week. You're not there England, Canada, and America every week. Where you tell me say you're not at. You're not go.
Yeah, the topic was getting hot, so here we're gonna do. We're gonna upload the rest on the dancehall story channel. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we do drop another video on dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.